And I think confidence comes from experience. And so just knowing what you're doing, I think can take you a long way. Superpowers of running a business or running a good business is realizing that you don't have it all and you need that additional help.
How do you cultivate, or how have you cultivate some of those leadership kind of traits or, processes to kind of lead clients?
I think behind any good leader that I have interacted with, right, the leaders in my life, they all are extremely confident in what they're doing. And I think confidence comes from experience. And so just knowing what you're doing, I think can take you a long way, right? All of us have experienced that. Maybe like that first project. My first real project was with a college roommate. Dynamic. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what was next. I didn't know how to bill or how to get feedback or any of those things. And people can just smell that insecurity on you, right?
Yeah.
And it's funny how even if you're doing projects for friends and family, they just go south real fast when you don't instill confidence in them. And so that confidence will come with time, and you shouldn't feel bad if you don't have it right now, right? Like I spent a lot of time not having it early on, and I still need to get better at it. But certainly the more you prepare and the better your processes are, and really just honing your skills and feeling confident in your own abilities, that's going to give you the confidence to really push things forward and say, guys, this is what's going to work best. We know from experience, and, I'm willing to kind of put my word behind this because I know that this is the decision that needs to be made. And clients, most of the time, like they love that. They're like, great, Payton, we trust you. We trust your team. Let's do this. And then they get great results and everybody wins.
Yeah, it's good. I love that you even mentioned like, hey, if you don't have that confidence, you said the word like planning, like have a plan. Like that's a huge part. It's like, if you don't have the experience, like you have to put like that experience has come from, months and years prior. Well, then what you need to do is put in at least the preparation now. So when you show up, like at least you have a plan of action. Like you may not have have been a general in the battle for like a decade, but like if you're the only one that has the plan, we're going to look to you. We're going to at least trust the person with the plan. So take the time in making a plan. I love anything that's like process, thinking through it, creating a schedule. These are real unsexy, like uncool words like SOPs and scheduling, but like they help. They really bring a lot of confidence to the table without you actually having to have all that experience. So I think that's a huge lesson learned there. Thanks for sharing that. What is, right now, the thing that's helping you most when it comes to like running your business? Is it automations? Is it maybe a tool, like something that's AI driven? Is it maybe a mindset shift? What's really helping you the most right now?
Ooh, that's a tough one. I think there are a lot of things. The first thing I always revert to is the awesome people that I've been surrounded by. But of course, my family and the support system there, but also building a network of awesome people that want to help you, and you can do your best to help them. And I feel like at this point in my career, that is by far the greatest asset that I have, because anytime I run into a problem, anytime I need an extra set of eyes or an extra pair of hands, it's like I know who I can reach out to and trust. And I think along those same lines, being willing to invest in people, like one of the biggest kind of shifts that my business saw and that brought a ton of success was when I decided to stop being so worried about spending my own money to get somebody else to come help me. And I started looking at that as business money. This is an investment. And so if I need to bring somebody else in and give them $1,000, like that's going to be worth it, because those are, like there are other people that are better than me at these things. And so I would say those are some of like the superpowers of running a business or running a good business, is realizing that you don't have it all and you need that additional help. So that would probably be the first thing that comes to my mind.